Chapter 3, Karate Framework Quick Setup. So we have created this project, which is this Karate session project in the previous sessions, and what we did it, we have created a complete folder structure. So we have added this Karate test as a package, we have added these feature file, which is this get request feature file, as well as we have added this runner, and which helps us to execute the test cases. And when we talk about this pom.xml file, we have added this dependency, which is this karate JUnit 5, and we have also added this tag, which is this test resources. In case if you don't want to do all the initial setup, the karate has provided their own template inside this IntelliJ. We can use those templates to create a complete folder structure, as well as that template help us to download a different dependencies. Those are required for the initial stages. So let's create a quick setup with the help of the template which is provided by the Maven. Click it here, new, we can go for a project, and here we need to select the Maven archetype. If you want, you can change the location. I am keeping it default. Here we need to provide the name. I am saying quick setup, and we are having this archetype. So inside this archetype, these are nothing but a different templates provided by the different projects. So here we have the catalog. Instead of selecting this internal, we need to select it the Maven Central, and we can see it is downloading a few archetype from the Maven Central. Once this is completely downloaded, then we are going to have the karate. So let's do one thing, let's search it here. Now we are saying a karate archetype. So this karate archetype is nothing but a template provided by the karate framework to us, which help us to create a basic structure of the karate. So click on create, and let's click on new window, and we can see it is downloading a dependencies as well as creating a folder structure inside this quick setup project created successfully. So when we scroll it down, we have this dependency, which is this karate JUnit, as well as the tags which we have added in the previous session related to a test resources. So when we commit here inside this src, it is having a default structure which is provided by the karate to us. We have the users, and inside this users we have a two files, one file which is related to users.feature file, and another is a users. So let's click on this users feature. It is having few of the endpoint as well as a dummy test cases which we can invoke it here. And then when we commit here inside this user runner, it is having this test user as well as that method tagged with a karate dot. It means this test user is a test case of the karate. Let's do one thing, let's go and invoke this. Right click, say run users runner, and then it is going to invoke this users dot feature file, and then it is also going to generate it. And we can see it is invoking the test cases. At the end, it is going to generate the report for us. So we can see both the test cases executed successfully. So when we commit at the down, we are having the so let's click on this, and it is having the report which is this users.features. So click on this link, and it is having a two scenarios. So one is a get all users, get first user ID, and then it is a create a user. So these are the different steps which we are having it by executing with the help of these scenarios. So in this way we can create a default structure provided by the template to us of a karate. So that's it in this session.